Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nothing Phone 3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Nothing Phone and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Nothing Phone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up and then hit got it in here's some tip one. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close all ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!